St. Charles Parish for our Chemistry Day to discover and explore the power of chemistry. This is a sponsorship with Dow Chemical Company and St. Charles Parish Schools who are hosting us today. And so we got all kinds of activities to engage kids in the power of chemistry, where they'll get to build a saltwater clock that's going to power a battery from just basic chemicals and things that you find in your house. They're also going to our little kids are going to create a chemical battery clock using lemons. So they're going to discover the power of chemistry in a variety of ways. We have all kinds of chemistry demonstrations, while Dow professionals are going to show the kids interactions with chemistry through elephant toothpaste, gummy bear fireball, and there's also a dry ice experiment. And then they also get to check out our chemiluminescence experiment, where they get to see how chemicals interact to illuminate, to create illumination. So all kinds of things that we have for kids to engage, discover the power of chemistry, and expose our kids to the skills of the 21st century.
As you can see, as I'm mixing my chemicals,
the students of St. Charles Parish Public Schools need a STEM education. We are surrounded by business and industry and supported by business and industry, including Dow, who is a sponsor of this event today. So our students just need to know the job possibilities that are out there. So we partner with people like Dow and organizations like STEM NOLA to make sure that our students understand how important it is to have a science education and to be knowledgeable of the elements and the interactions that they have with everyday STEM.
There we go. All right, so slowly pull that up and be really careful, because if we pull too fast, it's going to break. We're going to see how long we can get it, okay? Hey,
all right, come here, man.
Can you come here and put the yardstick up on the table?
Yeah.
Right there. Okay?
Yep.
Can you hold that? Come here.
Okay. Sit down.
That's all it takes. A mile long. A mile. But then it's standing back.
So today is a magnificent day. So to allow the kids to be able to open up their minds to STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math is great, especially at this age, right? Because the world is becoming more of a 21st century where you have a lot of technology, you have sciences that all around you know, and to actually allow them to be able to capture that at this moment is a great blessing to have it happen.
So it's very important for Dow to get involved with STEM education, because STEM is, the students who partake in STEM is our pipeline. That's who we get to work at our plants and our corporation, and we need that pipeline to be strong for Dow to be a strong company and also make products that all of us use. I've really enjoyed being here at STEM Saturday, put on by STEM NOLA. Dow loves partnering with communities and community events, and this has been an amazing event. There's been experiments for Chemistry Day, and I love that the kids get to go home with their chemical battery at the end.
Or then I had to put water in the cup, then I had to put salt. Then I had to close it. Then I had to. Then I put the wires in. Then I had to put the alligator clip on the boat. Then the alligator clip on the string. Then it started working.